Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at options for the Blue Screen Troubleshooter in Windows 10. For a more in-depth look, we will link an article in the description down below. Windows 10 no longer has the Blue Screen Troubleshooter in Windows after version 1809. However, you can still do the online one at Microsoft. To use it, go to Microsoft and the Blue Screen Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen prompts, and the online troubleshooter will attempt to diagnose the causes and offer fixes for you to try. For more helpful hints and hacks to maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content to make you the master of your digital universe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.